The EnGenius EWS276-FIT Wi-Fi 6 access point offers impressive next-generation wireless connectivity with its dual-band support, ensuring smooth and fast internet experiences for all users. Its 2.5 Gigabit Power over Ethernet Plus port allows users to fully utilize multi-gigabit internet service provider speeds, providing exceptional performance and value. Advanced network optimization features like OFDMA and MU-MIMO enhance transmission efficiency and signal reliability, significantly reducing congestion and interference. The cloud-based management system is user-friendly and allows for easy network configuration and monitoring from anywhere, making it convenient for both home and business use. With no additional licensing or subscription fees, this access point presents a cost-effective networking solution without compromising on quality and reliability. The device also supports flexible installation options with Power over Ethernet, plus enabling placement up to 328 feet from the power source for optimal coverage.